Ka sorkar Meghalaya darai go wo ba khli na usu ya ka tulop kiwa kreh ki lidli ki district council wa kan thup na do ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ka Jainte Hills Autonomous District Council wa ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council dai was dang na do ukhon chonglat November 2000. Chief Minister ka jala ukon rat ki sangma da pen banau ye ni ne kam chi benta wo pen khalan ya ki Autonomous District Council ADC ki wa man chi benta wo pen ne pen sa iman kerpang ki jai bro ka jala ukon rat da ongu wa ka sorkar da rai ko wana du ukon chonglat 2000 terter wo chim ktino usu ya ka tulop ne bha chi sen wa ka sorkar usu ya ka tulop ki wa kreh ki ADC daw ye ki wo pen khalan ya ki kamram yong ki klem da hap de wo perkhat ya ka tulom Cucu da pentip wadaw chna ya ka komiti wo yo ya ka report bache hapo asubhaw san singi de wo kular wa ka sorkar uba khle ko usu ya ka tulop de pendik na wo penthut ka sorkar jala ye rukom kreh kam walai lo ki ADC ukon rat da ong wada bataw le yo lat hajrong ini ikam we irai wa khaddo daw chim da ka kabinet nemo ka dahap ki menteri sorkar menstem da penti bule wadune benta ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council katulop da poi ko nyaw phau klor ha ka chisnem tangwa iwe ye ko wo penmi mpoi tang le phau klor le we ini le da seriem go haki wi ADC kam haji HADC wakat tu ni hak HADC.
Today, after detailed discussion with the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, we have realized that there are a lot of challenges that the councils today are facing all over the state. In the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, the salaries required annually reach up to 70 plus crores, whereas the revenues don't even touch 30 crores. And hence there is a huge deficiency and a gap between revenue and expenditure. The similar conditions are there in other district councils where financial problems are there in the Jainte Hills and to some extent in Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. The district councils are a very important institution in our state, and the district councils are also a symbol of our culture and of our traditions. Hence, it is absolutely necessary for the state government to ensure that not only do the councils work properly, but they also thrive and ensure that different aspects of our tradition and our culture and different aspects of landholding are taken care of. Keeping these aspects in mind, we as a government have decided that coming November 1st, 2025, the government of Meghalaya will be paying the salaries for the different autonomous district councils. This will be a historic moment where once the salaries are paid, the different district councils can then focus on the different areas of concerns and development aspects and different traditional and aspects of culture. The procedure to ensure that this is implemented in a proper manner will be worked out by a committee that will engage with all the district councils, namely the Khasi, Garo and the Jainte Hills District Council. This committee will take 45 days to ensure that they engage with all the councils and ensure that these systems are in place so that the salaries can be paid to the district councils by the state government. I also want to assure the district councils and the citizens at large that there will be no interference in the day-to-day functioning nor into the jurisdiction of the district councils. Our intention is only to bring financial stability, a proper system so that the councils are able to pay salaries on time and so that they can continue to function and work as per the mandate of the Constitution. Earlier today, I also had a meeting with the Honorable Governor and shared these different points, took guidance from him, and as per his directions, these decisions are going to be finalized. And in the cabinet tomorrow, we will be officially taking these decisions to ensure that every aspect of what was discussed with the Honorable Governor will be implemented in letter and spirit. Thank you.